Hi, I'm Rick Heckman, Director of Financial Aid at Dickinson College, and I'm here today to talk to you about applying for financial aid for the 2017-18 academic year. Now, my comments are primarily directed to our domestic population. International students, I encourage you to check out our website for information particularly relevant to you. There have been some big changes in the application process for aid for the upcoming year that we're all excited about. For the first time, the free application for federal student aid, the FAFSA, will be available October 1st. It's available now. So families can complete the free application for federal student aid early, and they can complete it using 2015 income information. So the applications will be completed using the tax returns that you've already completed. So the FAFSA is the application for federal aid and state aid for most states. We also use the CSS profile as the application for aid from Dickinson. So to apply for all the aid for which you might be eligible, you'll want to complete both the FAFSA and the CSS profile. And both forms should be completed by the deadline for the admission plan under which you are applying to Dickinson. So if you are applying as an early decision student, you would want to have those forms completed by November 15th. If you're early action, December 1st. If you are our second round of early decision, January 15th. And for our regular decision plan, February 1st. In addition to completing those forms, you also will want to send to us copies of the 2015 tax return and W-2 forms. And those can be sent by way of the College Board's IDOC service. And you will receive information about sending those forms and uploading them to the IDOC website once you've completed the profile. Now, when you're completing the applications, be sure that you are completing the applications for the 2017-18 academic year, because the applications for 16-17 are still up. So make sure you are completing the right applications. Also, make sure that you complete the applications using the student's full name as it's listed on their Social Security card. And be sure that if the Social Security number is requested on the FAFSA, be sure you use the student's number and not the parent's as the primary application identifier. Our admissions office determines eligibility for our merit scholarships, and the academic merit scholarships will be the first part of any need-based financial aid package that we put together. Typically, a financial aid package will include grant and scholarship aid from Dickinson, as well as grant assistance possibly from the federal government or from state government, a student loan, as well as the opportunity to work on campus. For those of you who would like to get an early sense of what kind of need-based financial aid would be available to you, the net price calculator is available on the Dickinson website. And the net price calculator is a requirement from the Department of Education. Every school in the nation has to have one. And it can give you a fair estimate of what your eligibility for financial aid might be. Now, one of the problems and one of the consequences of having the aid applications completed using early information is that the 2015 income information may not necessarily be a good reflection of what your current situation is. A job may have been lost, income may be lower in 2016 or 2017 than it was in the 2015 base year. If that should happen, or if it has happened, be sure to be in touch with us. Let us know that your situation has changed, and provide for us the updated information about your current situation so that we can take those circumstances into account. Check out our website. We have lots of information available there for your review and to provide additional answers to questions you might have. And by all means, at any time, feel free to contact us either by telephone or email. We'll be happy to hear from you. Take care.